Hello Pentesters, this is Puneet from Rapid Safeguard back again with another CVE video, and in this video we are going to talk about WordPress CVE-2021-29447. This CVE is related to excessive vulnerability. Before we start our video, I would like to introduce our platform called Vulnmachines. This platform is for people who are willing to learn about real-time pen testing, improve their cybersecurity knowledge, and improve your offensive security skills. Then check out our platform and share your feedback. Our weekend labs are live and free of cost. Labs are related to real-time exploits. So if you can root our labs, submit your POC and share with your infosec friends. If you have zero experience and new to infosec, I would recommend our basic labs to clear concept with the practical, and for that I have created a videos on our YouTube channel. You can watch our video and practice on vulnmachines.com. This platform link is in description, and also I am mentioning www.vulnmachines.com. What is WordPress? WordPress is free and open source content management system written in PHP and paired with MySQL or MariaDB database. It is web publishing software you can use to create your own website or blog. WordPress enables you to build and manage your own full-feature website using just your web browser. Without single line of code, you can create your own website using WordPress. Now let's talk about CVE 2021-29447. This CVE is related to excessive vulnerability via MP3 file upload. Those who are not familiar with excessive vulnerability, I would recommend watch our excessive attack video where I have explained excessive vulnerability in detail. The vulnerability allows a remote user to gain access to this sensitive information. The vulnerability exists due to insufficient validation of user-supplied XML input in media library. This excessive vulnerability in the ID3 media library. So ID3 is basically used to pass the information about an audio file. So this vulnerability in ID3 media library in PHP 8, which is used by the WordPress. So designed to pass the ID3 text from the MP3 audio file, the library did not explicitly disable the XML entities in PHP 8, which rendered by the WordPress 5.7 or older version, and that vulnerable to excessive attack via MP3 file upload. So ID3 is used to, as I mentioned earlier, ID3 is used to pass the information about an audio file. Now, how can I perform, or what are the requirements to perform this vulnerability? So it is required WordPress with PHP 8, specifically PHP 8 with file upload access using admin or manager account. Then you can create a malicious file, save in MP3 file format like WAV file or MP3 file, and upload a file, that malicious file, using media in WordPress. So I will show you in practical so you will get the better understanding. So this is the CVE 2021-29447 and I have set up on my local machine. So here I am using my admin credentials to perform this vulnerability. And now let's log in. So click on media, and before that there are some requirements. We need to start the version, or we need to start a port called 8001. So PHP-S and 0.0.0.0 and 8001-T, so target and www. So this exploit link I will provide in description box, and you can check out over there. Now let's create a exploit file. So node index.js. So it will generate a exploit.wav file, and that exploit.wav file I will upload and show you in the response where we have started 8001 port. So here we will get the response. So let's see. Now let's open, and we have uploaded successfully. As you can see, this entire code is in base 64. Now let's copy this base64 code and paste in that decryption.php file. So here we need to mention, and let's save it, and again run on our console. So let's php, so php decryption.php. So as you can see that this etc-pwd file or etc password file is decrypt via base64. So this is all about this CVE vulnerability, or this is all about CVE-2021-29447, affected version of WordPress 5.7 and older version with integration of PHP version 8. I have already created a different labs related to WordPress on our platform called Vulnmachines.com. If you are interested to learn pen testing and improve your cybersecurity skills, then check out our platform Vulnmachines.com. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you feel this information is useful to you and your friends, then share with your infosec friends. Subscribe our channel for latest CVE updates. Join our Telegram channel and follow us on Twitter. All social media links are in description. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.